got some storms in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and they're heading this way. So let me first point your attention to the tornado watch. Includes Hopkins County, but folks, I have every expectation that they will either issue a severe thunderstorm watch for our northern counties or expand the tornado watch to include our northern counties. That being said, all modes of severe weather are possible with this complex of storms, but I would say the highest threat at this point would be the threat of damaging wind gusts. But in north central Texas, that's where we are having all the issues right now. You can see a couple areas of storms, one in Newton County and one moving through Collin County as we speak. But there's your severe thunderstorm warning. This does include portions of Hunt, Collin, and Fannin County there. There's Hopkins County. There's Rains County. This is heading in your direction. So if you live in Emory, you live in Sulphur Springs, Point, any communities in Hopkins or Rains County, I want you on aware. Get prepared to go to shelter because this storm is moving into your region and it's moving rather quickly. So you don't have a ton of time. Futurecast illustrating a couple of areas of showers and thunderstorms through midnight tonight. Most of this activity staying to the north of I-20. That being said, places like Tyler, Henderson, Elysian Fields, Marshall, Carthage, I would not be surprised at all if you guys see a few thunderstorms later this evening as well. This is 1 o'clock Friday morning, not a ton going on then. And then as we head into later on tomorrow morning, I don't expect storms by the middle to late part of the morning, and we should be quiet for the majority of your Friday. That being said, we are still under an enhanced risk. And as I mentioned before, it's areas along and to the north of Interstate 20. That is where you will find your level 3 enhanced risk of severe weather. You drop a little further to the south, Jacksonville, Henderson, Athens, and a level 2 slight risk. And it does level off in Deep East Texas. There's really not a lot of data to support widespread severe weather in places like Lufkin, Nacogdoches, but I'd have a way to get weather warnings just in case something happens here over the next couple of hours. But strong wind and large hail, those will be your primary threats, but you can't discount the lingering tornado threat because that is in play for our northern counties, and we've already seen the storms produce tornadoes over Oklahoma. Those are the same storms heading in our direction. Area of significant wind highlighted in the blue. This is what I'm most concerned with overnight, so we will be watching that very carefully. And then hail to our northwest. That is where we have the potential at some large hail. Okay, let's shift gears and focus our attention to the heat because it felt like we were well over 100 degrees today. Your temperatures, they're still in the 80s, folks, so it's East Texas summer. Welcome to it. If you haven't lived through one of these, well, you're in for a rude awakening over the next couple of weeks if you thought the last couple of weeks were hot. Look at these dew points. Middle to upper 70s, 82 degrees is the dew point in Nacogdoches. 82 degrees, folks. That is extremely uncomfortable, and it still feels like we are in the triple digits for Deep East Texas at this time of night. Here are the next 7 days. 97 tomorrow. Again, we will get through the storms by daybreak tomorrow morning for Tyler, Longview, and Jacksonville. Upper 90s for the remainder of your 7-day, near 100 next Monday and next Wednesday. And then Deep East Texas, same deal. Lower rain chance tomorrow, 97 Saturday, 99 Sunday, and we are straddling the triple digits all of next week. Neil.